You did this. You did this. Yeah, but this is slippery. This is when Danny Naughty can put this up. I think I can. Let me try it out. Let me try. Hello. Can you move? I'm trying. And that's the time. Let's just move it to like that. See? Oh! I got it! I almost got it. 3, 2. See, kiddo? See, kiddo? Wait. Oh! Let me try one more time. 3, 2, 1. I almost touched that boy.
Hey, babes. All of them have hatched. Look.
What?
All of them hatched. Yeah, look at my phone. It's easy.
Damn.
See, there's 4 of them in there now. Just 4.
All of them.
All of them hatched. There's 4 of them in there now.
Yes. Thank God.
Yeah. I wonder if I can get a light on this, or is there already a light on it? Oh my God, that's so cute. Whoops. That's what's wrong. That's why. My bad. I thought I was just seeing if it was you or Nanny.
Hey, Alan. A bird's nest under deck.
Yeah, 4 baby birds. When we first found it, there was 4 eggs. Now they're all hatched, and I'm getting like perfect bird's eye view of them, like, yeah, putting their beaks up and trying to get like a worm, I guess. I don't know. I even got I was real quiet yesterday, and the mother even came up and fed it while I was recording. It's like once in a lifetime to get this type of shot, a bird's eye view on like baby birds just hatched.
Last year Mike and Becky had one like underneath their pergola, like constantly.
Yeah. Yeah, ours is right between like, the support beams there and our floor. So it's a perfect bird's eye view. It's like I could stick my pinky in and I could probably touch their beak.
Wow.
Yeah. Yeah, it's really cool.